How to use Immersive Reader Mode in Microsoft Edge on Windows 10. Turning on or customizing Immersive Reader Mode in Microsoft Edge on Windows 10 is easy. Follow me.
CDC director warns second wave of coronavirus is likely to be even more devastating. Even as states move ahead with plans to reopen their economies, the director of the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention warned Tuesday that a second wave of the novel coronavirus will be far more dire, because it is likely to coincide with the start of flu season. Season. Copyright Joshua Roberts / Reuters. Reuters in this March 12 photo, Robert Redfield, director of the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention,